Hi, it's Steve here from SMC County Garage SEAT, and today I'd like to show you around a car that's just arrived with us in stock, and this is a 2018 SEAT Arona SE technology finished in Desire Red Metallic. Now this is a car that we've actually supplied and serviced for the last few years, and it's just been traded back in with us for another car. Now this short video, only a couple of minutes long, will hopefully give you an idea as to how nice the car is and how good the condition of this particular one is as well. Now the SE technology is a very popular model in our world because it has a great deal of standard specification, seating for 5, room for 2 Isofix rear car seats if needs be, a lovely big boot that also benefits from having a false floor option. So when we open the boot, you get the choice of either having a level boot floor, or as it's set up now, you've got a couple of inches drop, so it stops any boxes from sort of falling out if you're on a slope, or one-handed. There you go. How was that? Lift it up, pop it in, and now when you fold the seats forward, it allows the boot floor to run pretty much flat. Rear parking sensors are standard, with also a display on the media system, so you can get a good idea as to what's going on around you. And you also have the benefit of things like a wireless phone charger, which is quite unusual in a car of this size. So if your phone's compatible, just slot it in front of the gear lever and then it will charge it for you whilst you're on your way. Now I'm going to jump in and just show you how the media system operates. Nice big screen, menu buttons that run down the left and right hand side, and then, like pretty much everything nowadays, it's touchscreen. So DAB radio, the ability to connect your phone and stream music. Believe it or not, this model also benefits from a CD player. It's one of the last of them that has a CD player, but it does have one. Built-in satellite navigation, which is full postcode search, a search option for you, which is great. Something set called Full Link, which is Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. You just plug that in through the USB socket, and you also then have the option of going into the car settings if you like, where you can adjust, personalize and keep abreast of what's going on. When you drop down, air conditioning is a standard feature, as well as, say, your wireless phone charger, 2 USB sockets, as well as a 5-speed manual gearbox. Now this car has covered just over 43,000 miles and is in really nice condition. It will be sold by ourselves with a new MOT, a fresh 12-month SEAT service and 12 months RAC warranty, which also comes with breakdown cover. So if you're looking for a very good value Arona, then please get in touch. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and until the next video, take care. Bye-bye.